Don't worry, all will be explained. The bad green screen, the outfit is coming up in this video. Keep on watching. I'll tell you now. I'll just cut to it. So, AppSumo are doing a promotion. It's AppSumo Black Friday, and they've got a competition plus great deals. They're also doing a promotion for people like me who promote AppSumo. They want people to promote their golden taco and mention the golden taco. So my partner thought it would be a good idea to turn me into AppSumo's golden taco. So that's why I'm stood here, dressed like this. All credibility out of the window. But here we go! It's the AppSumo Golden Taco Black Friday Giveaway. You could win lifetime subscriptions to these amazing softwares. And even a weekend stay for life in the boss of AppSumo's Airbnb in Texas. To enter, go to phils.deals/win and it'll take you to this page and you can complete extra tasks for more chances to win. It's the AppSumo Golden Taco Giveaway. Are we done now, yeah? I'm not doing any more. No, I'm not. No. That's it. End of. Get me out this costume. No. Stop it.